Have you ever met someone who always looks angry? Do you think an angry person can become a good friend? One warm morning, Momo the monkey and Didi the duckling were walking near the river. Suddenly, they heard a loud voice. "Go away!" shouted a big crocodile. Momo quickly stepped back. Didi hid behind a tree. "The crocodile looks very angry," whispered Didi. "I don't think he likes anyone," said Momo. The two friends started to walk away. Then they heard another sound. Ouch! The crocodile was holding one of his feet. He looked angry, but he also looked hurt. Momo stopped. "I think he needs help," he said. Didi was scared. "But what if he gets angry again?" "We can be careful," said Momo. The two friends slowly walked back. "Hello," said Momo. "Are you okay?" The crocodile looked at them. "I stepped on a sharp thorn," he said. "It hurts." Didi found a long stick. Very carefully, Momo used the stick to move the thorn away. The crocodile smiled for the first time. "The pain is gone," he said. "Thank you." Momo smiled. "We thought you were just angry." The crocodile looked down. "I am sorry," he said quietly. "I don't have any friends. I feel lonely. Sometimes I shout because I don't know how to talk to others." Didi smiled. "You don't have to shout. You can just say hello." The crocodile laughed. "I will try." From that day, everything changed. The crocodile greeted the animals with a smile. He helped little animals cross the river. He shared fruit when he had extra. Soon, everyone wanted to visit him. One day, Momo said, "You are not the angry crocodile anymore. You are our best friend." The crocodile smiled from ear to ear. "I never thought I could have friends." Momo, Didi, and the crocodile spent many happy days together by the river. That day, they learned an important lesson. Sometimes, a little kindness can change someone's heart and make a new friend. Did you enjoy today's adventure with Momo and Didi? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Storytime Zone, and share it with your friends. There are many more fun adventures waiting for you. See you in the next story.